Hey y'all, it's your girl Britt, the owner and the operator of Crafts by Britt. Once you get on the live, do me a favor and speak to your girl. Let me know what city and state you are tuning in from. Why does ring light keep acting a fool? Let me know what city and state you are tuning in from, and let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner? Is you a crafter or is you a business owner? Which one? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Y'all, I literally legit just did a video and it's worked out the whole time, and now this ring light want to act a fool. Okay, y'all, once y'all get on here, let me know. Speak to your girl. Drop your city and state in the comment section. Today we are going to be going over 7 things that you can sell during your back to school sale. Did y'all think I was letting y'all off the hook because I was running my own sale? No, y'all ain't off the hook. We still working on this back to school sale. So do me a favor, like the video, comment the video, share the video. I'm going to give you 7 products that you can customize and sell during your back to school sale, okay? So if you've been following us, you already know this is our movement. So go ahead, like I said, do me a favor, tap in, drop some hearts, like the video, comment the video, and share the video so we can get this out there to as many crafters as possible. Also, do not forget, today is our 24-hour $75 course sale. It is available on our website, www.brittwiththeblanks.com. So our Shopify class, that is $75. We teach you how to build a website. Our Facebook class, we teach you how to build a successful presence on Facebook. That is $75. Our dropship class, so y'all see where we have the vendors that do the all over shirts, that do the custom backdrops and stuff like that, the custom shoes and bags, the gravesite blankets. That course is $75, okay? The sublimation and Cricut course, if you need help getting going, I show you step-by-step instructions on how to do these things. And then you also get a Photoshop class in there as well. You get 3 or 4 of those, okay? So those are $75 and available on our website. Just because you got on my live and you are my lion pride, and I know I told the people in the group it was just for them, but I'm gonna extend it to y'all too, okay? Only for tonight. So you get 15% off when you use code LOVE. That's capital LOVE, okay? Code LOVE. You can share that with anybody else that you want to have the code, anybody that you think would want to sign up for our courses. We are genuinely trying to get everybody, as many people in here as possible, so that we can all start making money, y'all, okay? So the first thing that you can sell during your back to school sale is going to be backpacks, okay? Our custom vendor, they have the backpacks available on our website for a little bit of nothing. They also have duffel bags for those that do, for those of you that sell the sports teams and stuff like that as well. Don't trip. If you cannot get into the dropship course, you can also get backpacks from Walmart and put vinyl on them. Put 651, not 651. Put HTV vinyl on them. Okay, custom backpacks. My first year of doing crafts, I made a lot of money off of those. You can also get backpacks from Five Below. Get you like a little knife or whatever, and cut that little symbol, cut that logo off of there, and customize that bag, okay? So backpacks is the number one thing on my list of items that you can sell for your back to school sale. Custom shoes. Okay, so our vendor does supply custom shoes. They supply running shoes, low top shoes, high top shoes. And if you aren't signing up for our course, you can also go and get like Vans and stuff like that. And you can put kids' names on them. You can put different cartoon characters on them using dark transfer paper. So the second thing on my back to school sales list is going to be shoes. So the first thing was backpacks. Second thing is going to be shoes. And if you are in our dropship course, or if you do plan on signing up for our dropship course, those products are provided through our vendors, okay? Also, like I said, if you do not, or if you cannot get into our program today, don't trip. Go to Walmart, find you some custom shoes. Find you some blank shoes. Go to Walmart, find you some blank backpacks, okay, and print on those. You can still sell them. You can also do hair bows. You can go to the hair supply store and go get bows that's already made and sublimate on them. You can go and put HTV heat transfer vinyl on them. You can go and make your own. Okay, your Cricut machine will allow you to cut certain fabrics. So you can literally create your own hair bows from scratch, sublimate on them, and then sell those, or put HTV on them and sell those as well, okay? Shirts. Here in Texas, most of our middle school and elementary school kids have to wear uniforms, but don't forget that that high school students and also college students, they have to have shirts and stuff that they can wear as well, and they don't have to wear uniforms. So who says that you can't sell custom shirts for back to school products? You can even create a set and say, hey, 10 different shirts for one set price. That can be a sale. Buy a backpack, get a shirt free. That could be a part of your sale. The next thing is going to be pencil cases. So y'all know they have the fabric pencil cases, and then they also have the plastic ones. On the fabric pencil cases, you can go ahead and drop you some HTV on there. You can buy you some sublimation ones and you can sublimate them. Or on the plastic ones, you can always put 651. These are items that you can literally get from the Dollar Tree and turn into $5, y'all. Seriously. The next thing and the last thing is going to be cups, tumblers, cups. Even if you do not do sublimation, go get you some cups from a dollar store, right? Put some back to school stuff on there, or put them out there and put a couple of kids' names on there and see if you can get some orders, okay? You can buy the cups for $1, print somebody's name on them, charge $10 for that cup, okay? Or you can go and you can do sublimation tumblers. We do have sublimation tumblers available on our website, www.brittwiththeblanks.com, if y'all need those, okay? But you can sublimate on tumblers. These kids need cups for school because they cannot drink out of the water fountains due to COVID. So that is a need. That is something that people need. Kids need backpacks. That is something that people need, right? And I always tell y'all to provide value. So provide these valuable products to your customers like I provided them to mine in the past, okay? Don't forget, $75 for the rest of the night. The sale ends at 8 a.m. Use code LOVE to save 15% off, okay? So you're going to get a 50% discount off the rip, and then you're going to turn around and get a 15% discount after that, okay? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If y'all are not in our free help group, do me a favor, click the button at the top of our business page and click visit group. This week in our help group, we went over Etsy, we went over drop shipping, we went over capital loans, and much more, okay? Videos and information that you don't want to miss as a small t-shirt business owner or a small customs business owner, okay? Once again, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.